Hey everybody, it's Thomas with Get Out Arizona, and you're watching another great episode On Trail. Back in the White Tank Mountains Regional Park. My friends, it's my backyard. Sunday afternoon. Beautiful, look at that. Clouds rolling in. We might get rained on. It's been raining for a few days. In each winter season, I tell myself that I'm gonna make like a definitive video for the Estrellas and Verado, Skyline, White Tanks. And for some reason, it never really happened. So I figured, why not? Let's start today. So this will be the definitive trail video for mountain biking for the White Tank Regional Park, White Tank Mountains Regional Park. Now, we're going to do a portion of the competitive loop. Maybe. I haven't decided yet, because that's kind of its own ride onto itself. But I wanted to show you guys the trails. If you were coming out here as a beginner or an intermediate, the primary ones you were going to ride. So we're on Mule Deer. We're going to finish up on South Trail. We've got Waddell Trail, Gray Fox, Ford Canyon. So there's going to be a bunch of them we're going to be on. Little segments of each one. Now, I'm not going to do the little tributaries like I've done before in the past. This is just going to be a straight up loop. So, appreciate you being here with us today. And before we get started and cut out all the jibber jabber, what do we say? Be kind to yourself and others. Be amazing stewards out on the trail. And we have to ask, what are you waiting for? Get out Arizona. My friends, it's time for that next adventure. I'll be coming up behind you guys. Thanks. Have a good ride. All right, my friends, Ford Canyon Trail. This is Ford Canyon proper, right there, that sign, that's where it starts. Now, Ford Canyon goes all the way back to a dam and eventually connects to Mesquite Canyon. You can ride a portion of it. If you're gonna do the whole thing, be prepared. It is a hike and bike. Well worth it, do not get me wrong. Doing that loop is crazy and it's great. And maybe we'll get that done before my neck surgery, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, just know that Ford Canyon, at some point, you guys have seen the sign. Anybody following me for a length of time has seen that sign warning, you know, as far as going past that point. So just be prepared. Friends, you can see we're coming up to the competitive track. We had to ride a little bit of asphalt to get here from Ford Canyon proper. And from here, I'm gonna go ahead and hit Gray Fox. And we'll come back and we'll make the competitive loop its own video. I really think it deserves that. It's a fun little loop, about 5 miles, 6 miles. If you include the technical segment and the switchbacks, it's a whole lot of fun, so we'll get back to it for sure. But right now we're gonna get on Gray Fox and keep on going. Ironwood. All right, so now we're back on Ford Canyon. And going this way is going to take us towards that portion of trail that's a hike and bike. We actually are going to take the Waddell bypass and head back towards Mesquite Canyon and loop back around to Bajada. All right, my friends, we're getting ready to get back on Mule Deer. Well, I should say we're back on Mule Deer. And we're heading to Bajada. We're working our way back to the truck. We're just gonna take a couple different trails to get there, thus completing the loop. Now, the White Tanks is a smaller park, so there's gonna be a lot of overlap getting from one place to another. I don't mind, some people do. Again, as long as you're out on the trail, having a good time, being a good steward, being kind to other people, you're doing it right. So who cares if there's overlap? So, all right, let's keep going. We're moving forward. We're almost there, a couple more miles, and we'll be back at the truck. Go camp. So Goat Camp, if you look at it on Trail Forks, is listed as a double black diamond. It gets pretty gnarly. Again, nothing says you can't bike it, and if you have the skill to bike it from end to end, God bless. But as I lose my line, yeah, there's parts where I got to get off the bike. Obviously, just some gnarly chunk, and so I always say, ride to your skill level. Don't let anybody bully you into doing something you're not comfortable with. This way you don't get hurt, yeah? Because that's the whole point of being out here, is to have fun and create good memories, not broken bones and injuries. So South Trail, home stretch. All right, my friends, there it is, Mule Deer Trail. So we end where we began. My friends, if you made it this far, like, subscribe, bell notification icon, helps out the channel, helps out the video. Trifecta we love so much here at Get Out Arizona. Now, the White Tank Mountains Regional Park is a whole lot of fun for families. You can hike, you can bike, you can ride horses if you have horses. It's a good time. We're shade under 12 miles right now, and I'm gonna link the ride down below, so if you wanna check out the loop I just did, you're more than welcome to. It's a lot of fun. Most of the trails out here are gonna be listed as intermediate, okay? They're chonky, they're technical. Doesn't mean you can't have a good time on them. And today, whew, perfect weather under the clouds and the promise of rain. Who could ask for more? So, links down below. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, the devil's work, but it's our social media. So we need to get the word out for Get Out Arizona. Join us for a ride. I always say the only thing that's missing from these things is you. Our Amazon store, all right? That link is also down below. You do not need to buy anything from our store, but if you make qualifying purchase, we receive a small commission that helps out with park pass money, gas money, and coffee money, the other trifecta we love so much here at Get Out Arizona South Trail parking area. So, my friends, I love you to death. Thank you so much for your support. There's not much more to say other than what, okay? Be kind to yourself and others. Be amazing stewards on that trail. And as we look out one more time at the White Tank Mountains Regional Park in Waddell, Arizona, what are you waiting for? Get Out Arizona. My friends, we'll see you on that next adventure. Take care, everybody.